Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is first of all going to click on sign in with Microsoft, and then from here some issues might happen. So for example, you might not be automatically signed into your Xbox account or it logged out due to a Windows update. So you're going to click on sign in with a different account, and then from here going to choose whatever that is saved. If not, you're going to click on the Microsoft account and then click on continue. And then from here, just give it a moment. And then you're going to enter the address of it. Now, if you do not have an account from here, then just create one. If you do have an account, but you forgot the password, for example, then simply just click on next. And then you can choose either one of these options, or you can click on the forgot password once you try it from here. And then you can just click on forgot password to log in. Now, if that didn't work, for example, make sure to close Minecraft, make sure to close everything. Then from here, going to go and search for settings. And then in the settings, you're going to search for it in the right here for system settings. Then you're going to search for apps, uninstall defaults. And then from here in the app software right here in the list, search for Minecraft. And then down here, Minecraft launcher, going to click on it, going to click on advanced options. And then from here, going to scroll down until you see these three options. First of all, you're going to click on terminate, which is going to make sure that it's ended. Then you're going to make sure to repair it in case there's any issues with the application due to an update. It's going to repair it fully. And then you're going to click on reset. And once you click on reset, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device. So it makes sure that anything that is wrong before goes away. And then from here, once you go back to the Minecraft launcher, then it loads. You should be able to sign in with the same account once it updates the launcher fully. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.